Hi, this is Sandeep Kambli from Fette Compacting India, and currently I am heading Application Consulting and Training. I have been working for past 15 years at Fette Compacting and one of the first employee to be recruited at Fette Compacting India. My role is to help customer to improve the productivity at their end and also to train customers so that they improve their know-how on a machine. The thing which excites me to work in this organization is the environment what we have with our colleagues. Not only it is limited in India, but also we are connected with our international colleagues which are also very supportive, and also we can share our thoughts with each other. Additionally, we have 5 days work week which help me to spend quality time with my family. I have started as a field service engineer, and over years company had given me so much opportunity that currently I am heading Application Consulting and Training department. If you want to join a world leader in innovation and technology, come join us at Fette Compacting.
Fette Compacting. Together for quality of life.